Hey guys, it's Sam. It is Sam. I'm out here in the suburban wilds of lovely Savage, Minnesota. It's warm as hell, humid, and now it's raining. So, moss covered and wet, skinny. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Probably gonna eat it on this one. All right, Murphy Hanrehan. Super humid, viscous atmosphere. Berm is relatively new. Wish it was a little bit bigger though, not gonna lie. So Murphy was my first place I ever rode, and I remember staring down the barrel of this downhill rock garden first time I was here. All good now though. Hey, thanks man. Oh, they burned this up too. All right. That's cool. All right, so we're entering the so-called black section here. Black diamond. Nothing here is really black diamond, except for a few features, especially a skinny, which may give me some trouble today, hopefully not. What's going on, buddy? Later. Oh, getting ruddy. More ruddy than Elm Creek for sure. Can never figure out this line. Let's hope I don't slam here. Oh, it's happened before. All right, we're good. So up ahead is probably the most black diamond thing here, which is a skinny. Oh, which still freaks me out a little bit. And we're good. Should be good. Don't jinx yourself. All right. Nice. Up here's a pretty difficult uphill rock garden. extracurricular here off to the left. Second one I don't like. Almost sent me over the bars. I just can't boot it right. Not this one, but coming up here. Still bad. Little rock garden. You got that. Okay, keep your pedals level here. You want to cut through that. Yeah, it's a good pedal strike opportunity back there. I think this is the fun, flowy section. Indeed it is. What's up, man? You all good?
Yeah, I just lost.
Oh, okay. It's starting to rain now, so it's probably going to cut this session short, unfortunately. Then again, I'm already halfway through the trail. Yeah, it's really coming down now, if my camera screen doesn't show that already. Looks like the bird loop is open. This is closed most of the year due to nesting of some manner of avian species, the lakes of which I don't know. But damn, it's pretty dark and juicy back here. Thought I might have had a flat, but turns out that's not the case. It's just really slippery back here. So I'll try to get back to the trailhead as soon as I can, because I don't want to fuck up these trails. Oh shit, that was an enduro turn. Nice berm. I'm covered in mud and just slipping and sliding everywhere, especially back in the nesting area there that's open. I'm gonna have to dial it back here, guys. Not that I was crushing it to begin with, but not trying to slam in the mud today. Saw a lightning flash and I'm on a fully conductive bike, so see how that goes. So concludes the black loop. Rocking sunglasses that are foggy as hell. It's overcast. It's just blurry. I can't see anything right now. Oh shit. Okay. I guess I can see enough. More lightning. Awesome. All right, back to the prairie section. Really tempting my boy Zeus right now. Hopefully he doesn't strike me down. Since the prairie is generally, or you know, is exposed to sunlight, I'm assuming it's dried out most of the time, and consequently, it's riding very well right now. It's got tons of grip, really good. Just watch out in the more dense forested areas. All right, just a little jump down here, kind of fun, and then we'll be back at the trailhead. All right, and there you have it. Hanrehan. Fun little trail. Some poor guy forgot his wheel over here. That's too bad. Hopefully he comes back. All right, guys. So that was fun, but as you can see, I need a shower. So does my bike. All right, catch you later.